In this video, I'm going to show you how to get HTML sample code. So open any web browser, then type HTML sample code, and also you can get sample templates. Here is the famous website v3schools.com. Open it. So guys, you will see a list of sample code with design like band template, block template, for example. So click on try it yourself. So here is the old code for this one. You can run it. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By the simple and easy steps we can know how to get HTML sample code. So visit this site and you will see so much examples: web creating, web brand, web layout, web JavaScript, web HTML. Here is the example one. If you want to try, so try yourself. A new window will open. Here is the preview. You can change from here. This is heading. Okay, heading one. This is the paragraph. So if you type here, like this is a heading title. Now run. So here you will see changes. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.